Santa Clara Wildlife Ranch to Monterrey. Chris charts a solo route just inside Mexico, departing Reynosa and navigating rugged northern terrain toward Monterrey. The landscape alternates between dusty backroads, rocky knolls, and hidden wildlife. At one point, he pauses at Santa Clara Wildlife Ranch to photograph giraffes, zebras, and other rare species grazing in surreal open-air enclosures. Between roads, he documents authentic moments. Ranch hands caring for animals, dusty trails winding through scrubland, and roadside charcoal grills serving tacos al pastor. Every click of his shutter captures the raw drama of this borderland. Crisp light, sweeping horizons, and a spirit of endless possibility. The journey crescendos at golden hour. Chris rolls into Monterrey's towering skyline and reunites with longtime friends, swapping stories and local brew beneath amber streetlights. Episode 10 blends Moto stamina with wildlife wonder and the homely warmth of friendship.
3, 2, 1. Welcome to the machine.
Hello? Thank you. Hola. Bien. Where is customs? Inspection? Okay. I'm a photographer. Camera. And clothes. Oh, okay. So, okay. Open. Okay. Bueno, gracias. Muchas gracias, amigo.
System shut down.
Let me also tell you about the Oaks Private School. TOPS is a distance learning umbrella school for those children who want to learn at home. Whether you're an actor or an athlete or your family travels all the time and you can't go to a brick and mortar school or you don't want to go to a brick and mortar school, the Oaks Private School has a curriculum or a program especially designed for you. You get your accredited high school diploma from a nationally recognized school. All the colleges and even the U.S. military take our diploma. So if you want to learn on your own and have a well-scheduled, well-regimented, vetted curriculum, check out theoaksprivateschool.com. Now back to the program.
Welcome to Mexico. We did it. Trinity and I are finally in the country. It took about an hour to get through all that stuff at the border. It was way longer than it should have, but the inspection guy saw my cool motorcycle and decided he had to go through every nook and cranny to make sure I wasn't like smuggling drugs in for the cartel or something. So we are all legal and in. It took about an hour, and the guy in front of me, his name is Rosendo, a colleague of my friend Javier's, and bless his heart, he came out on his Saturday and hung out, waited for me to get through the border, helped me with all the paperwork, spent that whole morning just waiting to help me. I mean, I was like blown away. And then he guides me to a restaurant where I could get something to eat because I hadn't eaten all day, and insisted on paying for my meal. Oh my gosh, I was just blown away. Giving me a patch for their motorcycle club.
Okay.
How cool is that? He bought me lunch at VIP's restaurant. Wonderful welcome to Mexico. Thank you so much, Javier.
You're welcome to
I appreciate
Mexico.
it. Thank you very much.
Welcome to Reynosa.
Gracias, amigo. I'm like, Rosendo, I should buy your lunch. You helped me today. But he said, no, you're a guest in my country, my friend. I want to pay for your lunch. So that was super kind of him. Thank you, mi amigo. I appreciate it. And now he's guiding me in his truck to the outskirts of the city. Ah, the sights and smells of a third world country. I start to feel at home. You know, somebody once said that driving a car is like watching a movie. Riding a motorcycle is like being in the movie. And that is so true. You know, with your air conditioner on, you're kind of a bubble moving through a space. Got the music going, you know, just have your own confines. In a motorcycle, you're out there. Every gust of diesel fuel, every little smell from the trash dump, the fresh dew in the morning, even the smell of oncoming rain. I mean, you really feel like you're in the element. And that is never truer than when you're riding through a third world country. Things just are different. You can experience it differently. And of course, there's always this stuff. Crazy traffic with no rules. Thank you, Rosendo.
You're welcome.
It's very nice to meet you. If you come to Charleston, you stay in my house.
Hola, pues ya aquí despidiendo a Chris rumbo a Monterrey. Ya fui su anfitrión aquí en Reynosa. Gracias a Dios todo salió bien. Y pues le deseamos que Dios lo bendiga en el viaje. Hasta luego, Chris.
Bueno, gracias.
Y bienvenido cuando vengas.
Mucho gusto, amigo.
Igual, mucho gusto.
I think I just went to Brazil. Sorry? Ahora, no entiendo, lo siento. ¿Ah? Oh, sí, está aquí. Gracias. Buenas tardes. ¿Cuánto? Bueno, gracias. Well, the only downside with the road from Reynosa to Monterrey, it's just a long, boring highway, just like you'd see in the U.S. And it's a toll road. So that kind of sucks. And unfortunately, it's not that good a road, so I'm not sure what everybody's paying for, but It is what it is. This section of it is great. It's better than some of the highways I saw in the U.S. Especially some of those horrible, ruddy ones in Louisiana. But anyway, I'm about 30 minutes away from hooking up with Javier, my friend in Monterrey. Can't wait to see him. We're gonna probably go out to eat, have some fun. It's gonna be great. Hey, found a guy on a motorcycle rode on past me. Gave me a little wave, so I'm gonna follow him for a little bit, see how the locals ride. Well, it's kind of late in the day, but the sun is out! Yay! Woo! Awesome! Whoa, check that out! That is wicked. Monterrey is a really cool city. It's completely surrounded by mountains. Oh, you can see them off in the distance up there too. I'm just now pulling into Monterrey. It's a major metropolis, very modern city. Third largest city in Mexico, if I remember correctly. That mountain is really cool. Here comes another biker.
Music creeps into my dreams.
I'm gonna tuck right in behind him.
Makes me into sweaty sheets.
Show me the way, buddy.
Abandons me when nights die out. What can I do?
Oh, I hate these little things. Little speed bumps, but they're like slippery little round boogers. Not fun on a motorcycle when they slip you sideways as you're going through. Looks like a little pizza delivery guy. Go on, man. This is cool.
So I better use my legs and run before it is too late to flee. I feel there is no other way. It's what I can do.
That is just
What I
impressive.
can do. Then I want to be with you. But you know there's music too. Don't let jealousy allure you.
More mountains over there.
Stop this, get right. Stop this, get right.
That's cool. Check those mountains out. Now we're going up into a different valley. Almost there. Past it. Whew. I think we're here. Meow. Hi, kitty kitty. There she is. We made it to Monterrey, and Javier's house is amazing. I'm going to take you guys inside and introduce you to everybody. This is for everybody back home. Javier, how are you?
Hi.
I remember you.
Yeah.
What's your name again?
Patricio.
Patricio.
Yes.
Very nice.
Yes. And there's Jorge.
Hey there.
Okay. And there's Grace and Julia.
Grace?
Oh, hi, how are you, Grace?
Saluda a Julia porque es allá en su casa, para que vean que llegó bien. Nos están atendiendo bien.
And I had to bring out the video camera because...
And the dog.
And the dog, yes, look. Oh, Cami is going to love this.
Hey, pórtate bien.
My wife loves dogs. So I had to break out the camera because Javier was just telling me that everybody in Monterrey has a plan for me tonight.
Exactly. Everybody has proposing ideas. Take him here, take him there.
Tell everybody what we're doing tonight.
We're gonna go with my friend Juan Pablo, who has a sort of like a diner in downtown, in old downtown. And we're gonna visit to him and probably see a little bit of the city. And then tonight we're meeting with my friend Marisela, who is a painter, and she has a bunch of bikers. She belongs to a biker group. So we're gonna meet with them, and everybody's gonna meet Chris there, and he's gonna make a lot of friends.
So Javier brought me downtown to El Limoncito, Fonda El Limoncito, run by a good high school college friend of his, and we're gonna go in and say hi. Oh, hasta luego. Adiós, chicos. Gracias.
Close your eyes, baby. Stop imagining a world full of love.
Hola. Who is this guy?
I'm Juan Pablo. How are you guys? I'm the founder and owner. It sounds very pretentious, but I'm just a waiter here and I wash some dishes. This is Juan Pablo from the Limoncito, and we're really happy to see Michael Smith to be here.
Yes, Chris.
With their hands and hearts, 'cause it's time to stand up.
You can all call me Michael from here on out.
Another thing.
Thanks, number 3. Chris.
No, we're keeping this. Let's keep that.
One is great for swearing.
I'm great with the Chris. Yeah, I would tell bad jokes.
Names are not important. It's the friendship, right?
Mucho gusto. Bienvenido a México.
Gracias, amigo. Listen to all the parrots. Downtown Monterrey, Cathedral. Javier, tell me the story again about the parrots.
Brought as pets and then were set free, and now they're become wild and they live in the city.
Now they've become indigenous.
Now they're indigenous. And noisy. And very noisy.
Very noisy.
You got your social club, you got the cathedral, you got the downtown, you got the bank, you got the modern building, and that's Monterrey.
And then the bells are ringing.
The bells are ringing.
And the birds.
It'll be a big fancy wedding.
And the birds.
Look, there's the bride and the groom. And they're waiting for their Uber.
Hey Juan Pablo, what are we doing here?
Hola, we're getting some wine for the girls.
What girls? What girls?
The motorcyclists.
You're gonna get us in trouble.
Motorcycle club.
Look at that beautiful. Oh. Ah. Nice to meet you.
Yo soy Juan Pablo.
Everybody, Marisela helped me find all kinds of contacts here in Mexico. She rides an awesome motorcycle and she has a lot of friends. So thank you so much.
Happy to have you here.
Thank you. I just want everybody to say hi to Cami, my wife.
Hello, Cami.
Hi, Cami. How are you?
And thank you for giving me the water. Now let me have the wine.
Thanks for joining me from Reynosa to Monterrey. Your company at Santa Clara Wildlife Ranch, especially while capturing those zebras, made the ride unforgettable. Until the next journey.